Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. Today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to print the current date within the Java inside jdoodle.com online compiler. In a lot of languages, that is in a lot of programming languages, we have different functions for to print current date and time. So for it, first in jdoodle.com you need to click on Java. After this is done, you can see a built-in program which is already written for summation of like two numbers. We need to delete it out. Now you can see on the top there are two main things. The first one is your public class, that is my class, and void main function. So these two are very necessary for the proper running and compilation of the program. And whatsoever you want to write inside like your program, you need to write inside this void main parenthesis. Okay, but before going towards this, we need to import one class, and that is called as import java.time.localDate class. Okay, .localDate. Okay, so localDate is our class which belongs to time subpackage, and date the time package subpackage belongs to Java main package. So that is why we have like put a dot operator here. Okay, now we will write the name of the class, that is called as local date, and we will create a class object. So we will write D, class local date D. So what is meant by this? Because now we can't say that this D is a variable, although it is a type of variable. We can call this as instance. Okay, instance of particular class. So local date D is equal to, now we will call a function that is called as local date dot now method. Now method will return the current date. Okay, and that after all this it is stored inside this instance D. Okay, rather than variable, we are using the name instance here because it belongs to certain class. Now we will print what is inside this D, because now method or function just return the current date here. Okay, so we will write system.out.println and D. Okay, so it will print, or it will give us the date in the result section. So now we will click on execute. Okay, wait, this said java.time does not, okay, it's Java. Okay, we have written Java. Okay, so it is java.time.localDate. Okay, they said error cannot find symbol. Okay, local D. Okay, wait, let me see. This white man and this thing. Okay, yes, you should have to write local date with capital D. Okay, it is very necessary. And now you can see that we got our date printed on the screen, that is 5/9/2022. So in this way you can print the date results on the output window. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.